Hello, everyone! Welcome to Daily English Sentences. In this series, you will learn simple and useful English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. Practice them daily, and very soon you will speak English with confidence. So, let's get started with today's daily English sentence.
I will drop you home. I will drop you home. I will manage somehow. I will manage somehow. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist. I didn't expect that. I didn't expect that. I can't keep up with it. I can't keep up with it. Let's clear things up. Let's clear things up. I can't get it out of my head. I can't get it out of my head. I don't feel like going. I don't feel like going. I will get it done. I will get it done. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. That's good to know. That's good to know. I will take your word for it. I will take your word for it. I will let it go. I will let it go. I can't move on. I can't move on. I will consider it. I will consider it. I can't let this happen. I can't let this happen. I can't say anything now. I can't say anything now. I will keep trying. I will keep trying. I can't help you right now. I can't help you right now. I will give you a hand. I will give you a hand. I can't live without it. I can't live without it. I can't keep silent. I can't keep silent. That's not allowed. That's not allowed.